Alright, so I apologize for the poor quality of the video if it comes out bad. Here's the jig that came with the LionRoar set. I have already soldered on a few slats. What I've done thus far is pre-positioned about 6 of them, and then I already preloaded the small solder bits with the flux on each of the joints. Then I'm going to go through and hit it with the butane torch right here. And I've decided actually not even use the solder tip. I actually just use the flame until it makes the solder flow into the joint. So give me a second. It's almost impossible to see the flame there, but it's there. And let's... Takes about 2 or 3 seconds before it finally melts. There we go. Got that one. That one. That one. That one. Okay, and then after a quick braise over the whole thing to get it there, you let it cool down, and you just continue on with that. Unfortunately, this is one. I'm not even near finished with this. You have all these slats to put on there. Not going to be an entertaining night. And as the instructions say, I have to do 16 of those. 1 of those, 2 of those, and 1 of those. Oh, I think we have one more page. Yeah, so I have a lot of work ahead of me. Sorry for the video flip halfway through. It's going to be a long process, but it's going to be well worth it. And I think these joints are going to be a ton more strong than if I was to use a cyanoacrylate. I think they would just be breaking off as soon as I'd be pulling these off the jig. And I'm not going to be gluing the jig all over itself. So anyway, if you guys have any more questions, just leave them in the comments or hit me on the SMA forum under T-Badger. See you guys later.